There's a very large contingency of Australians here at 2009 PRI in Orlando, Florida. I'm here with Graham Scudamore-Smith from SuperPro, mate. You guys are all about the bushings.
We manufacture a range of bushings for performance motor cars and the motorsport. Our company is a suspension company back in Australia, and that's where we've come from. And in our own market, we saw a need for a better bushing to get the wheels to the ground, better traction. So we've developed this range of SuperPro bushings, polyurethane bushings, in the last 20 years. Been here in the States exporting for the last 5 or 6 years, and this is the first time I've been at the PRI show, and it's great to be here amongst the real performance part of the world.
What sort of applications are your bushings good for?
Because of our history in Australia, our focus is import vehicles into this market, Japanese import and European import. The American market, we've actually got the Chrysler 300C, the G8, and in the next 12 months we've got a focused R&D program to do the Mustang, the Challenger and the Camaro.
And the big American 3.
The big American 3. The style of vehicle is very much in parallel to our expertise and experience at these street performance vehicles, and also into the racetrack as well if they're used in racing or club racing.
All right, so when you're looking at your bushings, what are some of the benefits you're going to receive by using SuperPro?
We believe it's a few benefits. One, coming back to Fulcrum Suspensions, which is the manufacturer, we are a suspension company. So our feeling and understanding of what's got to be achieved with a bushing is pure from the point of view that we understand wheel alignment, we understand springing, shock absorbers and the combination. We see the bush as the link between the tyre and the suspension system, and a very important link, but both to keep the wheels firmly on the ground and to get the car to steer straight in a road application. A few secrets: raw material. Spent a lot of time developing a raw material which won't crumble, won't fade, won't squeak, won't any of those sorts of problems, and last in all the different temperatures. Then applying the design features, the knurls, the bullet grooves, all these sorts of things we've applied to the product so that it actually comes up with a bush that is smooth, not excess, not noise, vibration, harshness, but puts the power to the ground. And I think particularly with the American vehicles with high horsepower, it's about putting the power to the ground without making the vehicle ride far too harsh or rough.
We've obviously got the bushings up to scratch, but you're also dabbling in hardware now as well.
Yes. With the advent of the vehicle changing in this day and age, we've made a decision to add some hardware, add some components around our bushing so we can get the full benefit out of the bushing. A good example in the Japanese range of vehicles, the Subaru, which we've had a lot of experience. We've now added extra bracketry, roll center ball joints, anti-lift kit componentry to make sure the bushings work in conjunction with the rest of the suspension. A new innovation we're moving forward with is adding a spherical bearing to the bushings in conjunction with the polyurethane. For example, the Evo comes out standard, has done for several years with a spherical bearing in one of the positions. So we've added spherical bearing to polyurethane to give a bushing taking the best of both worlds: solid location and maximum articulation.
Excellent. Well, thanks for your time, Graham. So if you're looking for a great product that's tailored to your needs in the sense of the true aftermarket, then SuperPro bushings could be the deal for you. Check out superpropoly.com.